if you're experiencing crashing issues while playing GTA 5, follow these steps to help calibrate and resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and optimizing your game settings. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. Check the processor, RAM, graphics card, and available storage to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Update drivers. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Reducing settings such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can help improve performance on lower-end systems. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing GTA 5. Programs that consume a lot of resources can lead to crashes, so it's best to free up system resources before launching the game. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further support from forums or the game's official support channels.